I'm sure that all of us have something from our childhood that we can think back to, something tangible, an object, that if we were to pick it up right now and hold it in our hands, or just even look at it, it would take us back to a moment in time or a special person that's associated with it. And that's what this song's about. It's called My Father's Toolbox. Now, I played this for my dad about a year ago when I was in the middle of finishing it up. I wanted to go over all the details with it, and I said, Dad, I'm so excited. I just wrote this song. Most of it's about you, but some of it's a blending of different people. And it's all, it's about that toolbox that you had, that great toolbox, and we used to make a lot of things together. And Dad, I'm just so excited about it. And he just had this blank look on his face. I said, Dad, the toolbox. And he looked me square in the eyes and said, son, I have no idea what you're talking about. So I was starting to wonder if my inspiration for this song was based on a made-up memory. But anyway, it's like songwriters say, don't let the truth get in the way of a good song. So this is called My Father's Toolbox. The green pills cause his hands to shake. Sometimes he forgets I'm there. He'd love to be down in his workshop now, but the doctor said no more stairs. And during last Sunday's visit, he had me bring his toolbox up, and with a smile of resignation said, it's time you had this, son. It smelled like years of sawdust, Marlboro Reds, and WD. Had the hammer that I'd hold for him whenever he asked me. Swear there still was grease from my GT on the socket it said. It was part Smithsonian and childhood treasure chest. It held a lot. My father's toolbox. Seemed every tool in it told a story about something that we made, from a double-decker birdhouse to that science fair Milky Way. And on the side was a Red Sox sticker. Over the dent I tried to hide when I borrowed it, trying to be like him and fix the loose chain on my bike. It smelled like years of sawdust, Marlboro Reds, and WD. Had the hammer that I'd hold for him whenever he asked me. Some metallic blue from a pine wood racer on a Phillips head. It was part Smithsonian and childhood treasure chest. It held a lot. My father's toolbox. He said, son, I know that you got one, but this is just collecting dust, and it doesn't mean anything to anyone but us. Yeah, it smelled like years of sawdust and Marlboro Reds. It was part Smithsonian and childhood treasure chest. It held a lot. My father's toolbox. Yeah, it held a lot.